Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. We're going to start out on the front of the boat. You'll see we have plenty of room, lots of storage. Nice stitching around the bulwarks with USBs and cup holders on all seating areas of this boat. A nice generous ski locker. JL Audio lit stereo speakers. That's new for 2020. Back at the helm, we've got a generous storage area underneath the helm. This JL audio system also comes with the deluxe bass speakers, which are located underneath the front seat cushions. Back at the helm, we have a leather trim dash, a nice big glove box in the front. Back at the controls, you have a Simrad, you have a JL audio system stereo, full instrumentation. You've also got a lockable glove box. This boat also comes with digital throttle. Moving back towards the stern of the boat, again, lots of storage. More lit speakers. This boat also comes equipped with a large sun pad with a backrest that flips fore and aft. Lots of cup holders back here. You've also have remote stereo control back here. You have a 12-volt outlet for your water toys. You also have 2 more USBs to keep the kids happy and charge your cell phones and your iPads. You'll notice back here on the stern portion of the boat, you also have lit speakers back here as well. And this boat comes equipped with a Mercury 200 horsepower 4-stroke engine. If this is a boat that you would like to see more of, my name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.